ناظرین، اس وقت میں موجود ہوں اکور کے اسٹال پہ. یہ سعودی عربیہ کا ایک گروپ ہے جو لے کر آیا ایک نئی ایپ. تو ان کے یہاں ڈائریکٹر آپریشن اور کمرشل مصطفیٰ اعلانی موجود ہیں. ان سے بات چیت کرتے ہیں اور جاننے کی کوشش کرتے ہیں کہ اس ایپ کے کیا بینیفٹ ہیں. السلام علیکم سر.
وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.
Sir, you were just telling about you are going to launch a new application. It's launched or you are going to launch now?
No, it is launched.
Mhm.
That's why we are here today in this exhibition in London to make the launch official. So it's launched today. It's live. You can see the QR codes. You can download it immediately, and our guests in the whole world, they can book our hotels. This portal is mainly dedicated for our hotels in Mecca, Medina. Today we have 11 hotels operating between Mecca and Medina, 10 hotels in Mecca, 3 hotels in Medina, more than 12,000 rooms available every day under this portal. The good thing about our portfolio today, it's all from the economy brands like Ibis Styles to the most luxurious brand like Ruffles in Mecca. So our guests today can have this huge variety and they can stay according to their expectations.
Normally people have sometimes problem because when they want to go to Saudi Arabia, they want to book something, they have the difficulty in the communication. Obviously mostly Saudi people speak Arabic while the people can speak English, and that's why sometimes they made mistakes when they're booking a thing. So your application, does it cover all these problems and it's purely in English and they have the same standard what the people are looking in the Europe?
Exactly. So the main language for the portal, it has multiple language, but the main one is English. So for English speaking guests, yes, they can find all the information. It's very seamless, very clear. Plus, it's not only about the hotels in Mecca, Medina, but we are trying to unlock the experiences in Mecca, Medina beyond the hotel stay.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like an online concierge services that you can understand as a traveler or a pilgrim coming to Mecca or Medina. You can really understand what other activities, what other sightseeings you can visit and to enjoy while you are staying in the both cities. Also give you a lot of insight about the booking journey and the guest journey from arrival from the airport all the way to depart or to leave from the kingdom.
And there will be some special discount or something offers for people who use your app?
Yes. So this app is affiliated with our global loyalty program, Accor Live Limitless, or we call it All. So if you are a member with All, we guarantee you a preferred rate comparing to other online booking platform with a discount approximately can go up to 25%. Any other, like any promotion we are running will be also available through the app. So we have those seasonal promotions, so it will be also available on the app. But if you compare it to any time, we guarantee you minimum 10% discount comparing to any other platform.
What about the visa things? Are you going to help in the visa arrangements?
Okay, so now as we know, since 2019, the government of Saudi Arabia has made a huge facilitation for the visa, especially tourism visa and traveling visa to Saudi. So for example, all the UK citizens today, they can get visa upon arrival at the airport. They don't need even to get a visa in advance or even an e-visa. They can get it upon arrival in a very seamless way, and usually it's 1 year multiple. So you can come for a year many times to Mecca and Medina or even to Riyadh or Jeddah or any other city. We are working today from a technology point of view to integrate our application with the visa process or visa application from the government side. It is not available today, but we are working to get it integrated. But for more than 59 countries today that supported by the Saudi government, you can get your visa either online in few seconds or upon arrival in the airport. So our again application called Accor Mecca Medina. You can find it online. It's affiliated with our Accor.com or AccorLiveLimitless.com. So it is affiliated with that. But the portal called Accor Mecca Medina Hotels. This is where you can find all our Mecca Medina. You can book your stay in Mecca and in Medina at the same time. Very special content, giving the speciality of this destination, and that's why we make it easy for everyone to book.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. All the best.
تو ناظرین یہ بتا یہ رہے تھے مصطفیٰ کہ ایپ آنے کے بعد آپ کو آسانی یہ ہے کہ آپ اس ایپ کے ذریعے ان کے جتنے بھی ہوٹلس ہیں مکہ مدینہ میں ان کو بک کر سکتے ہیں. اس کے علاوہ ان کے اوپر ڈسکاؤنٹس ہیں, اس کے آفرز ہیں. مستقبل کے اندر وہ ویزا سروس بھی اس کے اندر ایڈ کرنے والے ہیں. اور سروس لیول یا لینگویج کا جو ایشو ہے اس کو سالو کرنے کے لیے یہ ملٹیپل لینگویجز میں ہوگی. اس میں انگلش بھی شامل ہوگی اور امید ہے اس میں ملٹیپل جب کہا ہے تو اردو بھی ہوگی.